Hi everyone, Aiden here with etrailer. Today we're going to be taking a look at this CURT Gooseneck Ball and Safety Chain Loop Kit for your 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 with the factory towing prep package. If you have the towing prep package, this is the easiest way to add a gooseneck ball to your truck and be able to tow a gooseneck trailer because it's just a drop-in system. Very easy to do, and when it's not in use, you can take it out and leave nothing behind, so there's full access to your truck bed. And you could easily swap this out for maybe a drop-in fifth wheel if you also had that. The factory prep package is very useful, and it's always my recommended way to go if you have it. This kit is going to include a 2 5/16 inch ball and have a weight capacity of 38,000 pounds. That's how much weight it can pull. Now keep in mind, that's what the Gooseneck Ball Kit is rated for, not necessarily your truck and its hitch. So keep in mind those own weight capacities, check your owner's manual, see what it's capable of, and go by the lowest rated component. CURT does make a version of this kit with a slightly lower weight capacity of 30,000 pounds, so if that's more apt for your trailer, you may consider going with that kit. Those included safety chain loops are going to be plenty wide for a variety of different hooks and lock in a very similar way. There's really just two pins that keep this in place, a linch pin up top and it's just standard drop-in pin through the middle. And when those are both removed, you can turn this 90 degrees and just pull it out of the slot. There's this rectangular shaped tab that'll match up with the factory puck. You can drop it in, give it a twist, and that's what keeps it locked in. The drop-through pin keeps it from turning to the unlocked position, and the linch pin will keep that drop-in pin from being removed. And the ball operates with this lever on top. Give it a quarter turn, and you can release it from the hitch. You'll notice the ball bearing on the side. When I throw the lever, that locks it out, and that's what keeps it in place, or unlocks it. So really simple operation there. The only complaint I have is that if you do apply grease to the ball, that means you're going to have to touch it to operate the lever. It's going to get your hands dirty. When you're not using it, I mentioned keeping things inside your truck, and CURT provides a hard shell carrying case for all the different components, making it really easy to keep this organized inside your truck. Everything in here is custom molded to the different pieces, so it's all going to stay orderly and keep it in one place so it's ready to go for when you need it. CURT also includes this rubber plug, which can drop in the center hole, cover that up, keeping dirt and debris out of there whenever it's not in use if you happen to lose those factory covers. But overall, I think this is a really solid option for a gooseneck ball kit. My one recommendation would be, if this isn't quite right for you, maybe check out some of the other options we carry, like the B&W kit. The thing I like about that one is that the mechanism to release the main ball is a separate handle entirely, so if you do have grease applied to the ball, you don't have to touch it at all. Plus, there's other options from Gen Y, which would give you a similar kit, but offset the ball towards the rear of the truck, so if you didn't have a long bed Silverado, and you had, let's say, a horse trailer with a sleeping quarters up front, that could help you if you've got some problems with turning clearance. But it just comes down to you, your truck, and your trailer, and which one's going to be right for you. This was just our look at this particular gooseneck ball kit from CURT on our 2024 Silverado 2500. Thanks for watching.